Hey travelers! Are you ready to embark on an adventure but worried about the cost of last-minute hotel bookings? Well, worry no more. Got a spontaneous urge to hit the road but worried about sky-high hotel prices? Don't sweat it. Whether it's a sudden business trip, a surprise getaway, or just a spur-of-the-moment decision, there are ways to find affordable accommodations without breaking the bank. Scoring last-minute hotel deals is totally doable, and I'm here to show you how. With a few smart strategies and the right tools, you can secure a great place to stay at a fraction of the usual cost. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk apps. There are several apps designed specifically to help you find last-minute hotel deals. Apps like Hotel Tonight, Booking.com, and Expedia are your best friends when it comes to finding those sweet discounts. These apps are designed to help hotels fill their empty rooms, which means you can often find significant savings. They often have last-minute deals that can save you a ton. The key is to be flexible with your plans and ready to book as soon as you see a good deal. Just make sure to check them out a few times a day because deals can pop up anytime. The more frequently you check, the better your chances of snagging a great deal. Next, look for flash sales. These are limited-time offers that can provide substantial discounts. Hotels sometimes offer flash sales on their websites or through their social media channels. These sales can be a goldmine for last-minute travelers. Follow your favorite hotel brands on Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook and turn on notifications. You won't regret it. This way, you'll be among the first to know about any special offers or flash sales. Here's a pro tip. Call the hotel directly. Sometimes talking to a person can get you a better deal than what you find online. Hotel staff often have the discretion to offer discounts or special rates that aren't advertised. Be polite, mention that you're a loyal customer, or ask if they have any special rates. You'd be surprised how often this works. A friendly conversation can go a long way in securing a better rate. Another trick, use your loyalty points. If you're part of a hotel loyalty program, now's the perfect time to cash in those points. These programs are designed to reward frequent travelers, so take advantage of the benefits you've earned. Many hotels also have partnerships with airlines or credit card companies, so check if you can combine points for an even better deal. This can lead to significant savings, especially if you travel frequently. Consider staying in business hotels over the weekend. Business hotels usually have lower rates on weekends because their main clientele is away. This can be a great opportunity to enjoy a high-quality stay at a reduced rate. Take advantage of this and enjoy a swanky stay at a reduced rate. You might find yourself in a luxurious room that would normally be out of your budget. Finally, don't forget about alternative accommodations. Sites like Airbnb and Vrbo often have last-minute availability. These platforms offer a wide range of options, from cozy apartments to unique stays like tree houses or houseboats. Not only can you find great deals, but you might also discover a unique place to stay. This can add an extra layer of excitement and novelty to your trip. So, there you have it. With these tips and tricks, you can find fantastic last-minute hotel deals without the stress. With a little bit of savvy searching and some insider tips, you can find awesome last-minute hotel deals and keep your travel budget in check. Remember, flexibility and persistence are key. Now get out there and make some memories. Thanks for watching. Your next adventure is just a few clicks away. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more travel hacks. Safe travels, everyone. Stay tuned for more tips and happy travels.